Let's check out Nye's amazing hardware gallery. Okay.
Welcome to our new little home store. It's Etc. by Nye's in Nye's Hardware Gallery. And we try and have an emphasis on American-made, quality-made products. And we have like wooden tools from Red Lodge, Montana. And we have pottery that's made in New Mexico. And also some pottery made in Wisconsin. But quilts and blankets, these are made in New York. These are made in Minnesota. And then we have locally made food products, coffee from Viroqua, pancake mix from the Madison area, and honey. This pottery is made in Wisconsin.
Nice.
It's beautiful. Twice baked pottery. And then Epicurean cutting boards, which are awesome because they're dishwasher safe and don't ruin your knives, and they're made in Superior, Wisconsin.
Yeah.
And then what else? We have homemade
Cutting boards.
Charcuterie boards. They're beautiful, and they're made by a guy that works here at Nye's.
Okay.
And they're all native Wisconsin hardwoods.
Okay.
And then around here we have some hand-selected kids books. We have linens that are made in Rubicon, Wisconsin with fabric from Europe, but they're beautifully made.
Nice.
And then some linens from Europe. Cheese knives that are made by the Amish, handmade. And just kind of a little
Yeah. So aside from all the hardware, you got all kinds of little stuff.
Right. And then we have also some beautifully made denim and chambray products. And these are made in the United States, in San Francisco. And I love them. They wash up really nice. They wear well.
Great.
And we have dog things too.
Good.
And then also Headley and Bennett aprons, which are huge in the Food Network world, and also in our home kitchens. So
Great. All right. And I'll just walk around and kind of look at some of the hardware.
yeah.
And your first name again was?
My name is Nicole.
Nicole. I'm Mike.
It's good to meet you.
And thanks for talking to me today.
Yeah, thank you.
Lots of hardware for any project. Aisles and aisles of hardware.